striped suit, Saturday and Saturday nights. He said, "Kid, you're late again, but this dance is right on time. Snap the lid and tap the face, catch the beat and you'll catch mine." Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick swinging like that. Oh, every little click keeps us right on track. Round and round till the band plays stop. Time falls loose, but our hearts still hop. Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick swinging like that. Met him at the corner bar, trumpets blasting down the hall. He would flash that silver chain every time the band would call. 8 more bars, then hit that break. He'd wink and flip the case. I learned turns and triple steps, reading time off Sammy's face. Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick swinging like that. Oh, every little click keeps us right on track. Round and round till the band plays stop. Time falls loose, but our hearts still hop. Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick swinging like that. Years rolled faster than the band. Sammy's hair turned sugar gray. Still he kept that watch in hand. Still he said, "We don't delay." One last song, the floor was full. He pressed metal in my palm. "Kid, you lead the rhythm now." Then he vanished in the Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick swinging like that. Every little click keeps us right on track. Round and round till the band plays stop. Time falls loose, but our hearts still hop. Sammy's pocket watch, tick tick swinging like that. Now I wind it every night, chain wrapped round my eager wrist. When the second hand kicks hard, I can feel his gentle twist. Hit your break, don't miss your shot. Hear him laugh above the drum. Sammy's pocket watch goes wild, and the whole